Hello everyone! Today we're doing more 10-11K, but this time to my laptop, my Asus VivoBook. This thing, it's a good laptop, don't get me wrong, but the Wi-Fi crapped out like week I got it. So today, I'm gonna try and fix it for the second time, because first time I cannibalized the network card from my old laptop, but it doesn't really work that well. So this time straight from Amazon. A new network card. It's Intel of some form, made in Vietnam apparently. So let's get in and see what we can do. And there we go, that's the screws out, from what I can see at least. Alright, back in here. As you can see, that's from my... Oh, the laptop's still on, I just noticed. We can ignore that. Actually, we shouldn't. Let me. Alright, that's off. Look, as you can see, no more light. Alright. Alright, let me see if the manual, the accordion, sorry, has instructions on which goes where. Alright. And on the page, both wires are black. So I'm just gonna say, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna screw this in much easier than the hard drive on my PC. There we go. And then I'm gonna save that. Oh wait, they're colored. I didn't realize. Okay, yeah, black is supposed to go in this one. In the main slot. Yep, that one in. In. Okay. There we go. You know, I'm starting to see a pattern in my content. Long form is me upgrading my personal stuff to make them more usable. Because every time I want to use this on the Wi-Fi, I have to use the USB Bluetooth Wi-Fi dongle over there. But my short form content is me complaining. Well, not all complaining. I did show off my Game Boys. But yeah, short form content, showing off, and a side order complaint about pricing of stuff. And long form content is this TLC. I mean, my N64 is gonna be my next victim, right? No, not my N64. My GameCube is gonna be my.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Alright, I'll see you in OBS. I'm 90% sure if I show that footage, then my address will be found. So, here's the speed test results.
An OPSEC fail. What's an OPSEC fail? Ben will now explain what an OPSEC fail is.
So basically, OPSEC is operational security, so for the sake of the stream it means not revealing info about ourselves.
Subscribe or I'll give you an OPSEC fail.